Hey guys, it's Kimmy.
Hey Derek, we're back again with an Nespresso review.
Yes, and we just did a review previously about our Nespresso, and we'll link it up here. And we pretty much just did an overview and a review of our personal feelings for the Nespresso.
Next. So today we have the Nespresso Pike Place Starbucks capsule, and next to it we have the Keurig,
which we also have.
Yeah, so we're gonna put them head to head, do a blind test to see if the Nespresso version is actually
better
than the Keurig.
When we first got our Nespresso during the holidays, I'm assuming this just came out because the hype for this was really high, and we didn't know about it till later. So we actually saw it at the store at Target, and we were like, oh cool, let's get it. So when we got it, and then we found out, it's actually been sold out for a while. So we just wanted to do a review on it now to see if it's worth the hype.
Yeah, Kimmy says there's actually 3 flavors.
Yes,
So
from what I've seen.
Yeah, so if you guys are interested, we can do the other video.
Yeah, subscribe, give us a big like, let us know you like this video, and we will do more.
In the back, it says, ever since the first store, they had this flavor. So it has been around for a very long time. Mm-hmm. It's a 7 on the intensity scale. And as you guys know, if you watched our other video, it lets you know how many milliliters it is. So this one's a 230, which is a cup of coffee. Mm-hmm. All right, so we're going to start brewing the coffee.
So this might be a little harder than we thought. We thought they'd both be black, but one is more foamier than the other, which makes it kind of obvious. So we're going to try and not look.
Yeah.
And mix them up. So
we're going to mix them up. We put a piece of tape at the bottom stating which one's which. But before we even tasted the brewing, like she said, the color is different. And then the Nespresso did make that caramel color I was talking about. But the Keurig still smelled really good when it's brewing.
Yeah, surprisingly, I was like, wow, this smells really good when the Keurig went. And then I don't remember the Nespresso smell.
So we'll just try this one first.
Okay, close your eyes. You go first.
Okay, fine.
Disclaimer, I do not like black coffee, so I probably won't like it either way. But we're going to add creamer after.
The smell's actually not that strong. And it tastes good. To be honest, like when I drink black coffee, a lot of the coffee just tastes the same to me. But it tastes pretty good. Like I normally would drink black coffee before I work out.
Right. Yeah.
I could do this one.
Okay, let me try.
I wouldn't be able to guess which one's which yet, though.
It smells good. I guess it's not. That one doesn't taste too bad. Yeah. Black. I don't like black.
Normally it's more bitter, so that one was pretty good, I think.
Yeah. Okay. Look like you're really enjoying it with your eyes closed, like.
I feel like the coffee smells not as strong, maybe.
Okay.
It smells good. Kind of faint, though. It tastes not bad. It tastes a little watered down. Not as strong as the other one.
Ooh, it's hot.
It tastes good. It's just not as strong, I think.
Yeah, it's not as strong as the other one. So I'm assuming we know which one this one is.
So we're going to think this is the Keurig.
Right.
Yeah, it is.
Now that I taste, they kind of taste almost the same.
No, this one. They taste similar, but this one has more like a depth to it. I don't explain it. Like the flavor lingers a little bit more with the Nespresso.
Yeah, there's more of a flavor in this one than there's this one. This one tastes like watered down coffee.
Yeah, like this is like flavored water.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, juice.
It's kind of like, yeah, like a diet juice that doesn't have as much flavor. And this one has more flavor to it. Okay, let's try it with creamer.
So we're now gonna add her favorite creamer.
Yeah, my favorite.
Because her YouTubers use it.
I never said that, but probably. All my sentences are my YouTuber.
Yeah, I thought you picked that because your YouTuber likes it, so we want to go try it.
No, I think she did the oat milk.
Oh.
And I tried the almond one. I don't like the oat milk. Oops. Okay. Ready? You go first.
Alright. Pretty good.
Why? The water. Oh,
The
yeah.
Keurig tastes better.
This one tastes watered down now.
Yeah.
Better?
Yeah, no, that one tastes better. Honestly, they now taste the same because you just taste the creamer.
No, this one still tastes like diner coffee. The Starbucks with creamer tastes like diner coffee. So
actually, this is smoother.
Which one? This one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And this one has more flavor to it, I guess.
Yeah, this one's smooth.
Smooth? They're
Yeah.
both smooth. It's just this one is...
No, if you try it one after another,
Okay.
this one feels like it just goes in your mouth smoothly, but this one, like, your tongue kind of like
Okay.
has like a little tingle.
Oh, wow, yeah. What the heck?
Yeah, so it's interesting when it enters your mouth. This one's smooth, like water, I guess. Like you don't feel any sensation except the flavor.
Yeah.
But this one has like a tingling, like.
Yeah, like it stays on your tongue.
But overall, I think the winner still has to be the Nespresso.
Yeah, I'd say so.
But dollar for dollar amount, you're getting way more of the Keurig one. Because like this is a pack, you only get 8.
So we're checking online to see the price of the Starbucks Nespresso cups. Or are they cups? They're considered cups, right? Capsules? Okay. It is $9.69 and you only get 8. So that is a lot more or costly than the Keurig cups. So keep that in mind.
So overall, it is better, but if you have a Keurig machine, it's probably not worth it for you to upgrade to the Nespresso machine just for this one.
Right.
But if you wanted to get the espressos and stuff, it's worth the upgrade. But if you like the Pike Place, I think you would be okay with the Keurig. Yeah, just for the Starbucks Pike Place. But overall, we think that Nespresso is a better machine. If you don't have either one yet, we would say definitely get the Nespresso.
Yeah. So we would get rid of our Keurig, but my mom actually really likes the Keurig, and she has her own little cups here. So when she comes, she uses it. So we keep it around for her, but we lean towards the Nespresso.
Yeah.
If you want a Keurig and you're just using it at home, and if it's just 1 or 2 people, I would recommend the smaller one. I wish I got the smaller one instead of the really big one that you get at like Costco.
Yeah, they make a really slim ones now.
Yeah, that looks just like our Nespresso, but the only drawback was you had to keep refilling it because it only does 1 or 2 cups, I believe.
Alright guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. It really means a lot.
Yeah, it really means a lot to us, and if you guys, again, could give us a big like, subscribe to our channel, it means a lot when you guys do.
It encourages us
Mm-hmm.
and really, really supports us and
it helps our channel.
Yeah, helps us a lot.
Yes.
Alright, until next time. Bye guys.
Bye, thank you.
Subscribe.
Can't think that many times.